Yo guys, so today's video is about secret camera hacks on the iPhone. If you want to know how to do this, stay tuned for more. Yo guys, so I'm guessing you all know about the filter button in the top right corner, but for these bigger devices like the XR and the XS Max and that, it's a bit hard to reach. So you can just swipe up with one hand at the bottom and then it shows you all the effects and filters. If you don't already, just have a mess around with the effects, see what you like, different looks to the pictures, different feels, make it for social media and that. So here is the auto exposure or autofocus, and you just hold down on the screen to get that, and if you want to get rid of it you can just tap wherever you want. But you can do this. This is really helpful for when you're having the sun in the background and you're taking pictures of people and you want the people to stand out, which you obviously do. You don't want the sun to ruin your picture. So for this one guys, we're going to have to head over to settings and then camera. And then once you get to camera, you're going to go to preserve settings and turn on camera mode. So what this does guys is when you go to the camera app and then go to video or portrait mode, then go off the app, kill the app and go back on it, it will stay at that mode. So even if you leave it for 4 hours, 5 hours, a day, whatever, if you go back on the app, even after killing it, it will stay at that mode. So under the settings again, we're going to turn on creative controls. So this will do the same as the camera mode one, but it will do it for the effects and the filters. So the filters will be left how it was, whereas before that didn't happen, but with this mode on, that will happen. So I'm guessing you guys want to know how I did the start of the video, and I'm going to demonstrate that now. So you're just going to head over to messages, go to the camera icon on the bottom, click it, then click effects, then Animoji, and then you can pick your Animoji. So here is mine now, and that's on my head, and I'm filming with an iPhone SE in my hand because I didn't know how else to film. Sorry about the quality, hope you enjoy it though. And then here is me with the Animoji on my head. You can take the picture now and you can add filters on that. I'll show you the filters in a bit. You click done, and then on the messages bit you click the X icon, and even though that's dismissing it, it will save to your camera roll. So here it is with the filters. So you just click filter and here you give it a different look. So you comic look, mono look, so black and white, whatever. And this helps with picture editing, video editing. You can do videos with it or pictures. Here is a picture. I can show you a video later. And then you can add text to it. So I wrote subscribe, which I later changed to red text because the button's red. But it doesn't really matter whatever you do, it's up to you. You can design it, be as creative as you want. Here you go. Here's a design idea though. Obviously send this to people by clicking the blue send arrow, but I do not normally send these to people. I'm just using it as a demonstration. Take the picture, but if you do, here's a blue arrow coming up on the screen now, and then you can just click send, or you can just click done and then the X icon like before, and then it'll save to your camera roll. So now guys, I'm going to show you how to do it with the video. So you're going to click the camera button again and then scroll left to video before you click the effects button. That is very important. And then click the effects button, and then you can swap it so that the camera is your front camera, not your back camera. So it's on you. So that's demonstrated now. And then you can pick your effects. So I picked the robot one, and then you can start recording. And then once you've recorded, you can add different effects to that. Like before, you can change the filter so it's a monochrome or comic or whatever, or you can just add text. Here I just add text as a demonstration, but you don't have to. You can just leave it how it is or go to the other filters. It's up to you. I'm just going to mess about with it for a bit just to show you a little bit about what you can do. So basically it's just text really, and you can draw over it like the markup tool. If you don't want to use an emoji that you've selected, once you've done the video, you can also change that. It doesn't really matter whether you've completed the video or not, so you can change it whenever. So here is the video that I've made, which I'll show you in my final result after I've done this. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more good content coming soon.